Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today topic is National Human Rights Commission of India, NHRC, statutory body constituted on 12 October 1993 under the Protection of Human Rights Ordinance 28 September 1993. It was given statutory basis by Protection of Human Rights Act 1993. PHRA, NHRC responsible for protection, promotion, human rights defined by Act as right relating to life, liberty, equality and dignity. Individual guarded by Constitution or embodied international covenants and enforceable court of India. Motto: May all be happy. Agency overview: formed 12 October 1993, 30 years ago. Jurisdictional structure: Federal Agency India. Operational jurisdiction: India. Size of 3287263 km square. Legal jurisdiction: India. Governing body: Government of India. General nature: Federal law enforcement. Operational structure: Headquarter: Ferry Court House, Caprinicus Mark, New Delhi. Agency Executive: Arun Kumar Mishra, Chairperson. Website: www.nhrc.nic.in. Function: NHRC proactively, reactively inquire into violation of human rights. Government of India or negligent such violation of public servant protection human rights and recommend measure for their effective implementation. Review factor including act terrorism, inhibit enjoyment human right and recommend appropriate remedial measure. Study treaties other international instrument human right to make recommendation of their effective implementation. Undertake the promote reach and field of human rights. In visit jail the study condition inmates engage human right education among various sections society and promote awareness of safeguard available for the protection these rights through publication, media, seminars and other available means. Encourage effort of NGO institution that work of field human rights voluntarily considering necessary of protection by human rights. Requisitioning any public record or copy therefore any court or officer. Composition: NHRC consists of chairperson and 5 members. A chairperson who has been Chief Justice of India or Judge of Supreme Court, 1 member who is or has been Judge Supreme Court of India, 1 member who is or has been Chief Justice of High Court, 3 members out of which is at least 1 shall be woman to appoint among us person having knowledge of practical experience matter relating human rights. In addition, the chairperson National Commission with National Commission Scheduled Caste, National Commission of Scheduled Tribes, National Commission for Women, National Commission for Minorities, National Commission Backward Classes, National Commission Protection Child Rights and the Chief Commissioner person with disabilities of serve ex officio member. Sitting Judge or Supreme Court or sitting Chief Justice any High Court can be appointed only later by consultation with the Chief Justice of India. Chairman and member: Arun Kumar Mishra, former Judge of Supreme Court, Chairperson of Commission of Last Chairman NHRC was Justice H.L. Daddu who completed his tenure on 2 December 2020. Other member: Justice M.M. Kumar, Dr. D.M. Mulay, Mr. Rajiv Jain, ex-officio member, Chairperson National Commission for Scheduled Castes, Chairperson National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, Sardar Singh Asda, Chairman National Commission for Minority, Rekha Sharma, Chairperson National Commission for Women, Chairperson National Commission for Backward Classes, Chairperson National Commission for Production and Child Rights, Chief Commissioner of Person with the Disabilities, Core group on older person, core advisory group on environment, climate change, human rights, core group human rights defender at NGO, core advisory group bonded labor, core group LGBT issue, core advisory group business and human rights, core group disabilities, core group health and mental health, core group of right to food, core group of right to women, core group of NGO commission, core advisory group on criminal justice and system reforms, core group of mental health in the commission order, State Human Rights Commission, Human Rights Commission, Impal 2003, Odisha Human Rights Commission, Bhubaneswar 27 January 2000, Punjab State Human Rights Commission, Chandigarh 17 March 1997, Rajasthan State Human Rights Commission Jaipur 18 January 1999, State Human Rights Commission Tamil Nadu Chennai 17 April 1997, Uttar Pradesh Human Rights Commission Lucknow 7 October 2002, West Bengal Human Rights Commission Kolkata 8 January 1994, Jharkhand State Human Rights Commission Ranchi 2010, Sikkim State Human Rights Commission Gangtok 18 October 2008, Uttarakhand Human Rights Commission, Dehradun, 13 May 2013. Haryana Human Rights Commission, Chandigarh, 2012. Tripura Human Rights Commission, Agartala, 2015. Telangana State Human Rights Commission, Hyderabad, 2019. Appointment, Section 2, 3 and 4. TPHRA laid down the rules of appointment. NHRC, Chairperson and member of NHRC appointment by President of India. The recommendation committee consists of Prime Minister Chairperson, Home Minister, Leader Opposition Lok Sabha Lower House, Leader Opposition Raj Sabha Upper House, Speaker Lok Sabha Lower House, Deputy Chairman Raj Sabha Upper House. Lists of Chairperson, portrait, name, tenure. Justice Rangnath Mishra, 12 October 1993, 24 November 1996. Justice M.N. Venkatachala, 26 November 1996, 24 October 1919. Justice J.S. Verma, 4 November 1992, 17 January 2003. Justice A.S. Anand, 17 February 2003, 31 October 2006. Justice Sivaraj Patel, acting 1 November 2006, 1 April 2007. Justice S. Rajendra Babu, 2 April 2007, 31 May 2009. Justice G.P. Madhur, acting 1 June 2009 to 6 June 2010. Justice K.G. Balakrishna, 7 June 2010 to 11 May 2015. Justice Syria Joseph, acting 11 May 2015, 28 February 2016. Justice H.L. Daddu, 29 February 2006, 2 December 2010. Justice Prafulla Chandra Pan, acting for 25 April 2021, 1 June 2021. Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, 2 June 2021. Incumbent. Controversy. Report concerning manner which was the Shivani Bhatnagar murder case was rejected. Case involving highest ranking officer opened organization up to questioning over the usefulness. Human Rights Commission set up the government national and state level mid 2011. Chairman of NHRC, ex-Chief Justice K.G. Balakrishnan, came under cloud allegedly owning asset of disproportionate his income. His son-in-law P.V. Srinivasan, Indian National Congress politician, had to resign, suddenly coming into possession of land worth of rupees 25 lakh. Many prominent jurists, including former C.J. Verma, SCX Judge V.R. Krishna Iyer, noted by jurist Fali Nariman, former NHRC member Sudarshan Agarwal, and prominent activist lawyer Prashant Bhushan have called Balakrishna resignation bending from the HRC bending inquiry. February 2012, the Supreme Court inquired government regarding status inquiry. Human Rights Campaign recommendation. NHRC held by 16 out of 19 police encounter with suspect Maoist Guntur Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh period to 2002, where fake recommended government payment compensation rupees 5 lakh each to keen of the families. Thank you. Hi, hello.